What's up, fam? Today we're making a new video, food review. First, we got mac and cheese. First, you open this. What we got? Ooh, can't be frozen. And Nina, throw this away. First, wait, actually, let me see the box. I want to see the. First, you gotta read the menu. Okay, microwave. I have a minute. Okay. Now put this away. Alright, we gotta put this heater. 11 minutes. And I need some help. So you gotta open a little bit, okay? Yeah, Nina. More, a little bit more. Alright, that's good. Alright, now we'll put to the microwave. You gotta hit like 30 more seconds. Or maybe 5 more minutes to make sure. Okay? Like, you make kiss your mouth. I feel with miracle. That mac and cheese kind of look good to me, man. Okay, it's kind of hot, so go ahead. It's okay, man. Is it? Oh, is it tortilla? Oh. Alright. Make sure you not burn yourself. Like, trust me, guys. My name is Gustavo Frame. Fine, I can do it. Oh, not mine. Okay. Wait. Yeah, you gotta help me out. Help me out. It will spill. So, come on, try this out real quick. Ready? Alright, hold this camera for me. This is not mac and cheese. Where did Uncle take it? Put it right. This is mac and cheese. 10. Why I forgot your mac and cheese?
10 out of 10?
Yeah, I can't. It might be some buffet. Alright, good video. Bye, guys.